Maggie, are you trying to steal my man? Maggie!
I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this. Kiddo, come here, baby. No. No.
Nina, gently lang.
Oh.
Nina, Nina.
Come here. Oh my god. Are you okay?
What are you doing, Winston? What are you doing?
So I got this dog because I thought it was gonna be my dog, and it's not. It's her dog now. She loves my fiance way more than me, and it's not fair.
Good boy, Siva.